Hello everyone. Today I'm making a video of this General Electric FM16 V23, also known as the Vortalex fan, in the 16-inch size, probably from the 1950s era. I picked this fan up on a road trip throughout a couple states, and I got this along with a smaller Vortalex and an Emerson Seabreeze, the fan head up there. And I think I paid about $40 for this one, which is a great deal for a Vortalex in my opinion. It's not 100% perfect. It has some white paint splatter on it, and it has a broken cage weld, but otherwise it's in great condition. Here's the front, and I'll turn it to the side here. And mechanically it runs beautifully. Electrically it also runs very well, although on startup it has a fairly noticeable humming sound. Not like a loud buzz though, and it draws normal amps, so the motor should be alright. Here's the back. It's also missing the original switch knob there. This is just a seems like an old radio knob or something with a cardboard insert so it can change speeds. When I got it, it was a lot more dirty than it is now, and I replaced the head wire on it as well. The old one was all greasy and nasty, and yeah, as you can see, it has all that white paint splatter. But anyway, I'll start it up on low here. Very powerful. Next we'll go to medium. And of course, high. Seems to have a slight buzzing sound on high and off. The oscillator does run, I'm just not going to show it right now. Alright, thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.